Okay, let's get into it. Today we're doing a deep dive on a project that's about more than just buildings. We're talking about building a new financial future. I'm talking about Gujarat International Finance Tech City, but everyone just calls it Gift City. So you should know two things right off the bat. One, it's India's first operational greenfield smart city. And two, it's home to their pioneering International Financial Services Center, or IFSC. It's located right between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, and its whole purpose really is to handle financial transactions in foreign currency. It's meant to be an investment bridge to the world.
That's exactly right. And the ambition here is, well, it's enormous. Gift City wasn't just built for India. It was designed from the ground up to be a world-class financial hub. I mean, it's meant to compete directly with places like Singapore and Dubai. This is a huge piece of the puzzle for India's global financial ambitions. And what makes this different, what makes it credible, is a regulatory structure. The backbone is the International Financial Services Centers Authority, IFSCA. It was set up in 2020 as the one single unified regulator for GIFT IFSC. And that unified authority is really meant to streamline everything.
A single regulator. That sounds like a really smart move, but unifying rules is never that simple. What were the immediate benefits of that structure?
Confidence
Really?
and consistency for the firms moving in. But look, regulation only works if you have the people. To get that talent, they built a whole live workplace environment. We're talking homes, schools, hospitals, even foreign university campuses right there. It's a self-sustaining hub.
And if the talent's there, what are they actually doing? I'm seeing a pretty diverse list of sectors. There's banking, insurance, capital markets. But what really stands out are these specialized niches, things like aircraft leasing and ship
Oh,
leasing.
that's completely intentional. You ask why aircraft leasing? Because Gift City can offer tax regimes and regulations that suddenly make it competitive with the established global centers. It's a way to pull that really high-value business into India's orbit.
This is where that smart city name really comes into play, isn't it? What is it about the infrastructure that stands out?
It's all about the efficiency systems. They have automated waste collection, for one. All the utilities are underground in these special tunnels. And they use a massive district tooling system, which drastically cuts down on energy use. And the whole thing is run from this IoT-based City Command and Control Center, the C4. That level of management is what global firms expect.
And what about getting there? Accessibility has to be key. It's already creating the strong Atricity corridor with Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, but the upcoming Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail, that's a game changer. It will essentially connect India's old financial center directly to its new one.
Absolutely. And for any business considering a move, the perks are significant. You've got single window clearance, big tax reductions, and supportive policies. And crucially, IFSCA uses what they call regulatory sandboxes. This lets fintech and tech-fin companies test out new, innovative products in a controlled environment before going live.
And the market has responded. I mean, the growth is staggering. In just 5 years, the number of firms there has jumped from about 82 to over 1,000. It employs over 25,000 people today. Let's just look at the volume. As of September 2025, the total transaction volumes are getting close to $1 trillion. And the Gifteen Nifty, which lets global investors access India's main stock indices, its monthly turnover just crossed $100 billion. Plus, it hosts India's first international bullion exchange.
Right. Those numbers show it's working. It's plugging into the global system. So for you, the investor, what does it all mean? Well, if you're a resident individual in India, you can invest up to $250,000 a year through the LRS scheme. You can even open foreign currency accounts, though you can't use them for, domestic payments. But the real game changer is for non-residents, because all the trading happens in foreign currencies. They can invest in India's growth story without ever converting their dollars or euros into rupees. That removes a huge point of friction. Now, we should be realistic. The growth is phenomenal, yes, but Gift City is currently ranked 43rd in the Global Financial Centers Index. There's still work to do. They need to improve last-mile connectivity, attract even more top-tier global talent, and critically, build deeper market liquidity.
True, but the commitment is clearly there. We're already seeing a major U.S. investment bank expanding its office to nearly 400,000 square feet. That's a huge vote of confidence. So here's something for you to think about. With this kind of structure and this explosive growth, how quickly will Gift City climb those rankings? How long before it can truly rival the financial titans like Singapore and Dubai?
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.